Hi, this is Eric Colburn from ericcolburn.com, and in this AutoCAD Civil 3D for Land Surveyors video, I will show you how to extract AutoCAD Civil 3D surface border. So you can see I have a surface here, a little over 100 acres, and the style that's being applied to that surface is showing 1 foot and 5 foot minor and major contours, and the triangles or tin is also turned on. So I want to turn off the tin and then turn on the surface border so you can see what we're working with. So in the settings on the tool space, we go to the surface style, and then under the display tab I'm going to turn off the triangles. Let's hit apply so you can see that those get turned off. And then I want to turn on the border, but first I'm going to make it, let's say blue, so it's easier to see, hopefully. And then this has nothing to do with the exercise at hand, but what I will do is just increase the line weight just so it's easier to see. Hopefully, I'm going to make it even a little bigger just so it's easier to see on the screen. No need to do that, it just will make it easier for us to work with this in the video. So you can see that the boundary or border of the surface is here, and what we want to do is extract that to make it an object in the drawing separate from the surface. And then in future videos I'm going to work with that and show you something that you can do with that when working in your project. So what I'm going to do is just click on the surface, and the ribbon comes up with the tin surface options, and you can see the option right here to extract objects. Going to select that, and the extract objects from surface dialog box opens, and you can see you can extract other items from the surface too, major and minor contours, which is a really handy thing to do. We'll go over when and how to do that in another video. So I'm going to deselect those so that I'm only selecting the border, and I'm going to hit OK. Now you can see on the command line that the command is actually AECC surface extract object. So if you were typing that in, if you didn't have the ribbon on an older version, maybe AECC surface extract objects, and that's a long word. I'll put that in the notes to the video. And so what I'm going to do now is, while the surface is still selected, I'm just going to delete it. So the surface is gone, it's out of this drawing. And what you can see now is we have I think a 3D polyline for the border of the surface. And what I'll do is just select properties, and you see, yes, it's a 3D polyline. So that's how you can extract the border of a surface, and then you have an object to work with in your drawings. This has been AutoCAD Civil 3D for Land Surveyors, how to extract AutoCAD Civil 3D surface border, brought to you by me, Eric Colburn, from ericcolburn.com.